Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw two awesome characters, Bluey and Bingo, and they're going to be in front of a Christmas tree and some presents. Hope you guys can join me and follow along and have some fun as we draw Bluey and Bingo. Let's go. Let's start Christmas Bluey and Bingo with mapping them up, constructing them up, and here's Bluey's shape. Just mapping the body and then where the hat's going to come around there. Mouth is over this side, and the nose. So, and then the legs coming down here and here. It pays to map on where things are before we start doing all the details, because there's a lot in this picture. Now, Bingo's a little bit shorter, so there we go. We're going to bring her down and a little bit thinner. Her hat in relation to Bluey's nose is about there. Christmas hat comes down, tucks in there. Her nose is about here, just poking out, and then she's got her hands up to her mouth. Like, I wonder what's inside these presents. And then her legs. Now we've got a present in here. I'm going to put a present inside there. Just planting that present on. There's going to be another, this is Bingo's tail. We'll put another present down here. Just mapping where that is, a little smaller present. Let's put a big one on the wing up there. Now we're going to draw the Christmas tree. This is where the Christmas tree is going to be. Like a big rounded triangle. Now notice how I'm just sketching that up. And we're going to have a cool star up here. That's the size of the star. We're going to have lots of other bits and pieces of details on this Christmas tree. Once we've got the plan happening, let's just put an eye there and an eye here. Hand up to the face. And then around the body like that. Now you can see how I've constructed up Bluey and Bingo. What a cool show. Time to add the details. Going with a 0.5, I'm going to start with Bluey's nose. Rounded triangle shape, then into her mouth, get down and around, and then a big smile. Pretty excited for Christmas, I would imagine. And then bring this part of the head down. Now let's bring the hand on. A thumb, a finger, another finger, another finger, and then just bring that back up into the hand and around here. Like so. Bring this side of this head up. Now you can see with all the construction lines, that's definitely helping where to draw things. The body, her body comes around like this. And then back up and into here. Now let's draw her eye. And she's looking down at Bingo. So we're going to put an eyeball there like that. And we've got a nose coming in, and then you don't see the eyeball there. That's behind the nose. But I love how with Bingo and Bluey, it doesn't matter when they're wearing a hat or not, they do have eyebrows. So let's put some eyebrows on. 2. Now just a little bit of the hat there, coming down behind here. Now you can make your bulb like a cloud, which I'm sort of doing. Here we go, and then bring that up and around, like so. So there's Bluey with the hat. Now we've got the fingers. So 1, 2, 3 fingers there, and a little bump like that. Then her hand comes back and around up like this. His hand comes down, back, and then back up like that. There's our hand. I'm actually going to colour this in now because I think it will look better. Now let's draw Bluey's leg straight down. 1 line, 2, 3, and straight back up. Let's go again for the other leg. 2, 3 toes straight back up there like so. Tail coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4 bits like that. A rounded section there. Let's draw the other details on Bluey. Once we colour this in, it's going to look way better. There's a dark patch up in there. The other colours I'll save for later. Now let's go with Bingo's nose. Colour that in, leave a little highlight. Line there for her face. She's got one eye that you can see there. Now she's looking up, so I'm going to put this eyeball right there, looking up into her eyes. They're probably looking at the presents going, oh, I wish we could open them up. Before we're allowed to. Okay, the hat comes around like this. And don't forget the eyebrows. One there, one there. The hat comes down and around like so, with that another little bit of the line up through there. The side of Bingo coming down. Let's now make this fluffy looking, just like we did over there. Pretty similar to how they do their tails as well. A couple of lines like that. Now the hands are going to be tricky because they're right in front of the face. 1 finger, 2, 3. There's her hand. Then we have a little bit of a mouth. So the mouth comes, bring that down and around, and you can see her fingers are in front of her mouth there. 1, 2, 3. Bring that around, and then we'll just put her arms on. 1, 2 lines coming out there. This one comes around and comes back in with a little line there. You see a little bit of this outer part here. Bring that down. And then just finish off the smile up there like that. Bring this around. Legs. And bring those bits in there like this. We're going to do the same on the other leg. So down, around, and then just bend these ones back around like that. And don't forget Bingo's tail. There's Bingo's tail. Now all the other colour we can add on there. Now that's a cute picture of the two, but we want to tell a story, so we've got some presents that we can put underneath the tree. So let's bring this present back on. A little bow, so start with the middle part like that. And put a bow on each side. Don't forget the little bits down the bottom. Now the ribbon for the present coming down both sides, coming across both sides, like so, and then it comes up into here, behind there, and then there's the top of the present. So there's one present drawn, so it's in behind. Here's another present that's going to be in behind. Let's draw this circular one. Wonder what could be in there. Let's put some little ribbons and stuff on that. Looks like, you know, those curly ribbons that you can get. All the curls on the end. Let's do some more curls. Finish that off. Now we've got this big present in behind here. It's a 3D present, so it's a bit trickier. So you see the ribbon through here, normal. This is the front edge, and then it comes back and around down like this. And then this is another edge of the present coming around like that. Let's draw this big present up here on a lean. So we're going to start with the outer edge. It's going to have a ribbon coming out there and up through there behind them, and that's the side of the present coming down there, tucked in behind all that. Now let's draw. I've got a few presents there. You could draw a few more if you really wanted to, but I'm going to draw the tree on now. The tree's going to be tricky. So let's start with some of the decorations. So let's put a ball on, circle, circle with the top part of the ball. Let's put another one here. Let's put another one here. Let's do a bigger one behind here. Let's start with this star. It looks pretty tricky to me because it's a, start with that. There, there. It's like a, I don't know how many points it's got, but it's on a fair few. So there's my star, the middle of the star. Here is the top of the tree, so the tree is rounded like this. Put a little ball in there. Bump the tree out. These are all the branches. Got another little ball in behind there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a row of balls coming out here. 1, 2, and then another little bump. Another little bigger bumps there for the tree. So see how it's getting wider as we come down. And now we've got some more of these coming around. So we'll put some of these. These are like a ball of tinsel. Bring them all the way across. Then we've got this part. Then the balls are going to come back down this way. You can make these up how you like. You can see how it comes down like a zigzag through there. There's a couple of like 4-sided stars on this tree that I'm looking at. Bring them around. There's one. Let's put one over there to balance it out. Almost like a cross. And then put some more of these tree leaves on. I'll just put one in there. Put one in there. And then it's just a matter of bumping down some of these as well. Like that. I'm going to put another little star in here behind that. Overlapping is super important with cool drawings. And then a big one, that's the bottom of the tree there. And you don't see much detail in behind here, but we'll just put a couple of extra lines in. Now if you wanted to, you could add some other little stars out the side. Lots of details you could add on, a couple of little highlights. It's a pretty complex picture, but there's Bluey and Bingo enjoying Christmas with their presents. Oh, I've got to finish off the star up the top. Let's finish the star off at the top with another bigger star off there like this. Just go around those bits to make them bigger. There's the big star on the top. Hey, thanks for watching, and remember to stay creative. See you in the next one.